Okay, so construction 1, bisector of an angle. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to draw an angle. So we'll just draw the arm of an angle here. Okay, and we'll call this the line AB. So here's A, here's B. And what we'll do is we're going to draw the angle BAC. So that means that the corner of the angle will be at A. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll let the measure of that equal 50 degrees. So we'll start off with that. We'll just make ourselves a little angle. So we're going to need a protractor. So first thing is make sure you put the crosshairs of your protractor onto the point. Make sure you line up your line with your line and your 0. So there's 0 and 180. Make sure you count from the 0. So we're counting to 50. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Mark off at the 50. Okay, and now we're going to draw the second arm of the angle. And we're going to call that arm AC. So this now becomes the angle BAC and it's 50 degrees. Okay, now we are going to bisect this angle, which means cut it in half with a line. So we're going to draw the bisector of this angle. Now what you want to do is you take a compass and you want to open it up a little bit bigger than the middle of one of the arms. Okay, I'm taking the arm closest to me. That's the easiest place to start. And what you do is we're going to keep our compass this size for the whole construction. Now I have it this size. Yours might be a bit smaller. Somebody else looking at the video could be a different size. It really doesn't matter as long as you keep it the same size during the whole construction. So the first thing you do is you put the needle of the compass down and you make a little arc on the first arm, and then you turn it around keeping it the same and you make another arc on the second arm. Okay, then you take the needle of the compass and you move up to where you've just marked on the arm of the angle, and you make a nice big swooping arc there in the middle of your angle, and keeping it the same, you bring the needle down to the other place, the other arc that you marked on the arm AB, and you make another big swooping arc. And what should happen is if you've made the arcs big enough, they should intersect. You can see they've intersected right here. So there's our wee point of intersection. And what we do is we join that point back to the point A here. And this line should bisect my angle, cut my angle into two equal angles. So that is the bisector of the angle. So this line here is called the bisector. Okay. And it should bisect the angle. Now this angle we decided was 50 degrees. So it should have made this one 25 degrees and this one 25 degrees. Okay.